So what's going to happen, we're just going to roll on out really nice and slow. And once we get on track, that's when we kind of like create our gaps and everything like that. If you end up being faster than that car that's in front of us, I always can radio and get you around him. He'll wave, and then he'll point. Once he points and I tell you it's safe to pass, that's when we'll pass. So this time what we're going to do is we're going to stay wide like they are. The next time we're coming through here, though, we will go from this orange cone to that green cone.
To the green.
Yeah, this time we're just staying wide like this. Gives you a chance to feel like the steering, you know, feel that gas pedal. Very sensitive.
Oh, yeah, that's great.
So here's our first opportunity to actually go from orange cone on your side to the green cone on my side. And then you're going to hug my side. Gives us a good opportunity to test the brakes out, because remember the brake pedal is very hard, so you get an idea like how hard you actually have to push it. That's good.
I'm still I'm used to looking that way because you know
the
being
mirrors.
on
Yeah, the
public
mirrors
road.
are for me. So all the way over, you start rolling on that throttle, build up a little bit of speed. There you go. Yep. Keep accelerating, and then lift, and just do a very light brake, and then no more brake. You actually go orange cone to the green cone. Perfect. Yeah, give it a little gas to maintain speed. That's actually perfect. Now you actually increase your speed as we exit. You come all the way over to my side. Perfect. And then light brake, and then actually release that brake, and then just go from orange to the green cone on your side. Once again, after that green cone, you actually can roll on that throttle and build up a little bit of speed right here. And then you can lift, very light brake, release the brake, and then just coast from orange to green. And then after that green cone, what you can do is you can roll on that throttle, and then actually push that pedal down a little bit more, a little bit more, a little bit more. There we go. And then lift, and just coast. Don't need to brake. He's waving, says, "Hey, I see you." Just stick with him. You probably won't be able to pass until that straightaway, but if we get an opportunity, I will try and make it safe for us. So what we're going to do is we're going to go from the orange cone on your side to the green cone on my side. A little bit tighter. There you go. Swing on out. And then a very light brake. And then you're actually going to go from orange to the green cone. And then keep it tight to my side. And then what we're going to do is he's going to have us pass on the inside. So go ahead and pass right here on the inside. And just kind of keep it tight to my side so that way it doesn't alter his line too much. All right, nice long straightaway. Go for it. Go as fast as you want to go. There we go. Now we're talking.
Shit. Sorry.
It's all right.
I hit the brake before you told me to.
Brake a little bit harder though. We'll get it next time, all right?
Yeah.
That's insane, right? Green cone.
Wow.
That's what 800 horsepower feels like.
Yeah.
Orange cone to green cone. After that green cone, roll on that throttle a little bit. Nice. Light brake. Release the brake. Orange cone to green cone. Trust the Ferrari. There we go. Nicely done. Tight to my side. Orange cone my side. Green cone your side. You got a little straightaway here, so roll on that throttle. Push that pedal down a little bit. Lift. Squeeze that brake. Nice. Release that brake. Orange cone to that green cone. Look familiar?
Yeah.
Back where we started. Ready to do the second lap?
Yeah.
All right, man. Bring it into that green cone. Keep it tight to my side.
Making good sounds too.
I know, it makes all the good sounds. Orange cone, green cone. All right, here we go. Go ahead and go. Full throttle. Lift. Pull on those brakes. Release that brake. So try and stay out a little bit closer to that orange cone. Okay. You'll actually be able to go faster through here if you do that. Swing on out to my side. Looking ahead for your next orange. We're going to do a little bit of brake. Release that brake. Orange to green. There we go. There we go. Nice.
Wow.
Swing. Yeah, it's got a ton of grip. A little bit of brake. Release that brake. Just coast up to orange into green.
Was that better?
That's better. That's a lot better. All right, here we go. Go ahead and open her up a little bit. And then lift. No brake. Just coast. Just coast. And then you actually, if you want to, you can go back to the power for a split second. Pull on those brakes. Nice. Keep braking all the way out to orange. All the way out. Release the brake. Boom. Bring it in. Swing on out. Light braking. Release orange into the green. Keep it tight to my side. So this time we're going to take the correct line. We're going to go all the way out to orange, into green, and then as you get ready to unwind that steering, we'll start bringing that power in and eventually full throttle. All right, let's make it all the way to the yellow this time. Keep going, you can do it. Keep going, keep going, keep going. Hey, pull on those brakes. Keep braking, keep braking.
I still braked early.
It's all right. We'll get it next time. braking, and turn it, turn it, turn it.
Oh, I got a little, what do you call it?
Orange cone, green cone. Yeah, it'll get a little squirrely under braking. That's why the rear wing pops up to kind of stabilize you. A little bit of brake. Release. Orange cone to green cone. Nice. Keep it tight to my side. Look for our next orange, our next green. Orange cone, green cone. Nice. Roll on that throttle. Lift. On those brakes. Nice. And then release that brake. Orange cone, green cone. Keep it tight to my side. All right. You ready for your third lap?
Yep.
All right, nice. Don't worry about that orange cone. This line will work. Keep it tight to that green cone. Nice. Don't worry about the brakes. Orange cone, green cone, your side. These lines through here are all a lot better. Swing on out. Let's concentrate on this one though. Lift on those brakes. Release that brake. Stay out, stay out, stay out. Now in. That's a little bit better. Swing on out. Roll on that throttle. Remember, all the way out. Squeeze that brake. Release. Orange and the green. There you go. That was good. See how much better that line feels when you do it?
Yeah.
Lift on that brake. Release that brake. Out the orange. In the green. There you go. Alright. Hammer into the yellow cones. Lift. Orange cone, green cone. Alright, we don't need to brake there. Don't need to brake. It's okay. 3, 2, 1, and on those brakes. Release the brake. Out the orange. In the green. Keep it tight to my side. Swing on out. Little bit of brake and release, orange and green. Keep it tight to my side. All right, orange and green. All right, you want to try and do this again?
Yes.
All right, we're gonna go all the way to the yellow this time. You ready?
Yeah.
Go for it. Keep going. You can do it all the way to the yellow. Keep going. You got it. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Big brake.
All right.
Keep braking. Hell yeah. Good job. Keep braking. Keep braking. Release. Turn it. Turn it.
Yeah, it's about trusting the car.
Yeah, no, you're going 130 and there's a 90-degree turn right at the end. I get it.
Yeah.
And it's a $500,000 car too.
Yeah.
So. All right, so that was the third lap. So this time we're going to be going into the pits. So the way we get to those, there's some blue and orange cones right off in the distance right there. Straight ahead, man.
All right.
Nice job, nice job.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
Crazy car, right?
This was sweet. I mean, that was amazing. I just want to do that all day.
Yeah.
That was fucking great. Sorry. Wow.
Yeah, it's pretty insane. First time I ever got in this car, I was like, this thing is...
My first track day in it, I'm driving like one of the most amazing cars ever.
What's insane though, like, is when you watch a lot of the YouTube stuff, is like, this isn't even like the fastest car though. There's crazy cars that are way faster, you know? Like, it's still a fast car, don't get me wrong. He'll tell you exactly where to stop for your photo.